Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, I've been showing you guys hacks on how to work on your manual sewing machine, and this video is no different. Guys, in this video I'm going to be cleaning up the inside of my machine, so the bobbin side. I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean it because I noticed my stitches were becoming skipped stitches, and this was not because it was a stretchy fabric. This is an Ankara fabric, a cotton fabric, and it's supposed to be going smoothly. So in my previous hack, I showed you guys how to, work with this machine using a straight stitch to avoid skip stitches when you're sewing a stretchy fabric. But this is a cotton fabric, and I'm going to show you guys why I am having skipped stitches. So guys, what you're going to do first is you're going to open this plate right here, and then can you guys see what it looks like on the inside already? You can see thread wool has already accumulated in this part. So can you guys see what it looks like? It has accumulated, so it's making the thread not run smoothly basically. So this is what it looks like. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my bobbin, remove the everything, basically the thread, the parts right here like you see me do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just scrape out these wools right here, the dirt, just clean it all around, just clean it. You can even use your machine oil to even, clean it more, but I don't want to use it right now, so I'm just going to clean it with the brush, clean every other part of it. And then I'm going to go further by taking my screwdriver and using it to loosen this plate right here. So there are two screws right here. You're going to use your screwdriver to loosen it. Now even at the back you'll notice there are some, a few dirts right there, so clean it as well. Clean the plates, the surroundings, everything. Can you guys see the dust that is coming out? This is thread that's accumulated into wool, and this is what it looks like. So clean it, clean it intensely, and then your machine is going to start running smoothly. Can you guys see the dirt that are coming out? So once that is done, you're going to put the plate back on it and then screw it down back. Putting your parts under your bobbin. So exactly how I'm doing it, just put it and snap it back in. And then once you're done with that, you're going to close that compartment, fixing your thread, and then start sewing. Now guys, if you see the two seams that I did, the former one has holes in it, while the new one is clean, like very very clean. So the first one is just unacceptable, while the new one is perfect. It's everything you really want your seam to be like. And guys, that's all I have for this particular cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're having this problem, skip stitches, try cleaning your inside of your machine, or oil it, or cleaning is always the first option. So once you clean it, you're going to be rest assured that your machine is going to run smoothly. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Also, joining as a member. Membership helps the channel a lot. I have other hacks coming out on this channel. Check out my older videos, my newer videos, my upcoming videos. Subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post any video. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.